Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. In today's video we are drawing letter A to H. So we have an orange color sketchbook and now we are drawing letter A using black marker. So you are also supposed to practice like that. So this is A.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
And now B.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L,
The more you
M, N,
practice,
O,
the more you will learn.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next
C.
time, won't you sing with me?
And this is D. Now
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
E.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
This is F.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y,
After F is letter
Now I know my
G.
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
This is G.
B, C, D,
And now
E, F,
H.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
So we have drawn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now we will color it.
Y.
So to color it, we have a brush right here and we will use red color.
Next time, won't you sing
To color A, we are using red color. So this is A. Coloring A with red color.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
And now we will use black color.
V,
So
W,
this is
X, Y, and
B.
Now I know my ABCs.
This is
Next
B
time, won't you sing
with black color.
me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
And now we will use yellow color
O, P,
to write down letter C.
S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
So this is
Now
C with
I
yellow
know
color.
my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
And now we will use red color to color letter D. This is red color. And D for dark. D for dark. Now we will use black color to color the E, letter E. So you can also use a paintbrush and you can color it well using watercolor. So this is E. E for elephant. Now we will change the color using another color, that is yellow color, to draw letter F. So this is letter F with yellow color. Now we will use red color. This is red color to color the letter G. This is G. G for goat. And the last letter we will color with black color, H. H for horse. So this is black color. H. H for horse. So these are all letters. A for apple with red color, B for ball, and this is black color, C for Kate, this is yellow color, D for duck, and this is red color, E for egg, and this is black color, F for fish, again yellow color, G for goat, and this is red color, H for horse, and this is again black color. So we learned about letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. I hope you like the video. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.